Let's have a look at the names and functions of the controls for the Nikon Z7 and Z6. These controls can be found on top of the camera. These controls are located on the front of the camera. You can choose the roles assigned to the FN1 and FN2 buttons. At default settings, the FN1 button is used for white balance, and the FN2 button for focus and AF area mode selection. Settings can be adjusted by holding the button and rotating a command dial. These are the controls on the back of the camera. Use the Photo Movie selector to switch between photo and movie modes. Use the sub-selector to position the focus point. Press and hold the center of the sub-selector to lock exposure and focus. Press the display button to cycle the display. The monitor is touch sensitive and can be tilted. A memory card slot is located in the grip. The camera takes single XQD memory cards. Connectors are located on the side of the camera.